Diyos maray na aga sa gabos. And we are here today at the Marison Hotel in Legazpi City, Non Awards.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my utmost pleasure to welcome you all to the 12th Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. We extend our deepest appreciation to all of you who took time to be.
It's always a momentous experience standing before a congregation of health champions of this size, celebrating service.
Ipadagos ang Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon para sa mauswag na rehiyon. Our collaborative efforts have led us to this well-deserved moment to realize we are not just accomplishing targets, but again, we are touching hundreds and thousands of lives. Once more, the DOH Bicol CHD congratulates all of you in this Marhay na aldaw po sa tuya kapos.
Is not so much in the opportunity to participate, but in knowing how much hard work and dedication went into achieving these victories for health. It's done well, but if there is any better way of giving recognition, is it to acknowledge the struggle. Service to the Philippines, to the people will always be appreciated and celebrated. Let us end the year strong and work closely together towards achieving the goals of Universal Healthcare Act and realizing our vision of healthy Pilipinas. Ang bawat buhay ay mahalaga.
Diyos maray na aga sa gabos. And we are here today at the Marison Hotel Coveted Awards of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. This is the Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my utmost pleasure to welcome you all to the 12th Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. We extend our deepest appreciation to all of you who took time to be here and witness this significant gathering.
It is always a momentous experience standing before a congregation of health champions of this size, celebrating service excellence.
With the theme Ipadagos ang Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon para sa mauswag na rehiyon, our collaborative efforts have led us to this well-deserved moment to realize we are not just accomplishing targets, but again, we are touching hundreds. for Health Development, we are delighted to welcome you all to the second National Regional Implementation and Coordination Meeting Mechanism Workshop. This is not just another meeting or workshop. This is a gathering of minds, of hearts, of implementers, leaders, and partners who are deeply committed to achieving universal health care.
Unang-una po sa lahat, I wish to thank you for making time and attending this activity. So nagpapakita po ito ng tunay na interes at dedikasyon kung paano gagawing mas maganda, maayos at epektibo ang mga strategies natin para sa siguradong matanggap ng ating mga kliyente. Salamat din po sa inyong pagpatuloy na pagpusigi upang makasigurong maitawid natin yung mga serbisyong pangkalusugan sa ating mga lugar. Hindi po biro ang maging lingkod bayan.
Today, during this second RICM, we would like to tell you that Bicol CHD loves you. Padaba ika mo. We love you.
We do not create our destiny. We participate in its unfolding. Synchronicity works as a catalyst toward the working out of that destiny. With that, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang UHC. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
I hope you also find time to enjoy our local dishes, scenic views, and the warmth of the Bicolano hospitality. Once again, thank you for being here. We are honored to host you. Let us make this workshop productive, participatory, and inspiring. Diyos mabalos, and again, padaba ni kamo. We are delighted to welcome you all to the second National Regional Implementation and Coordination Meeting Mechanism Workshop. This is not just another meeting or workshop. This is a gathering of minds, of hearts, of implementers.
Unang-una po sa lahat, I wish to thank you for making time and attending this activity. So nagpapakita po ito ng tunay na kung paano gagawing mas maganda, maayos at epektibo ang mga strategies natin para sa siguradong matanggap ng ating mga kliyente. Salamat. Hindi po biro ang maging lingkod bayan.
Today, during this second RICM, we would like to tell you that Bicol CHD loves you. Padaba ikamo. We love you.
We do not create our destiny. We participate in its unfolding. Synchronicity works as a catalyst toward the working out of that destiny. With that, maraming salamat.
I hope you also find time to enjoy our local dishes and inspiring. Diyos mabalos, and again, padaba ikamo.
In our calling since time immemorial, the cornerstone of our existence as health champions. Hence, I proudly welcome you to the 13th Salud Bikolnon Awards of the Department of Health for Health Development.
It is just but right that we recognize the milestones and best practices for health. Team Padagos na Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon sa Bagong Pilipinas.
Great honor to stand before you today at the 13th Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards, where we celebrate the people who make the healthcare in the Bicol region just a gathering, but a testament to the collective commitment, hard work, and resilience of those who have dedicated their lives in improving the health and well-being of our community.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good, that sunshine, sunshine. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a gift to hold up high. Has a way to carry. Everyone has a soul, so let it shine. Don't worry about
national government agencies, private organizations, and all who make up this powerful convergence of health-enabling champions.
And innovative spirit have changed lives. You remind us what it means to serve with purpose. Your contribution have not only improved individual lives but also strengthened.
Welcome to the Bicol region. Bicolanos are also known to be deeply rooted to its resilience and passion. As we cascade in operationalize our action plans for our 8 priority primary care programs, let us carry out these traits through echoing the Oragon mantra.
This is already our 3rd National Health Sector meeting. So far, the NHSM has served as a platform to collaborate and to co-create the future of our health sector. We can transform the health sector into a health system that is capable of providing the necessary health services to the people without financial hardship. Let us affirm our commitment to achieve our health sector goals of better health outcomes, stronger health systems, and access to all levels of care, ultimately achieving our dream of universal health care.
Welcome to the Bicol region. Bicolanos are also known to be deeply rooted to its resilience and passion. As we cascade in operationalize our action plans for our 8 priority primary care programs, let us carry out these traits through echoing the Oragon mantra.
This is already our 3rd National Health Sector meeting. So far, universal health care.
Pride, hard work, and dedication went into achieving these victories for health. Fairly easy to give praise once a job is done well, but if there is any better way of giving recognition, is it to acknowledge the struggle, the labor, and painstaking toil in service to the Philippines, to the people will always be appreciated and celebrated. Let us end the year strong and work closely together towards achieving the bawat buhay ay mahalaga.
Today at the Marison Hotel in Legazpi City for the most prestigious and most coveted awards of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. This is the Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my utmost pleasure to welcome you all to the 12th Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. We extend our deepest appreciation to all of you who took time to be here and witness this significant gathering.
Celebrating service excellence in healthcare across the region.
Salud Bikolnon para sa mauswag na rehiyon, our collaborative efforts have led us to this well-deserved moment to realize we are not just about targets, but again, we are touching hundreds and thousands of lives. Once more, the DOH Bicol CHD congratulates all of you in this 12th Salud Bikolnon Award. Tapos.
Pride, however, lies not so much opportunity to participate, but in knowing how much hard work and dedication went into achieving these victories for health. Fairly easy to give praise once a job is done well, but if there is any better way of giving recognition, is it to acknowledge the struggle, the labor, and painstaking toil in pursuit of excellence. The service to the Philippines, to the people will always be appreciated and celebrated. Let us end the year strong and work closely together.
Salud Bikolnon Awards.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my utmost pleasure to welcome you all to the 12th Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. We extend our deepest appreciation to all of you who took time to be here.
Celebrating service excellence in healthcare across the region. The pride, however, lies not so much in the opportunity to participate, but in knowing how much hard work and dedication went into achieving these victories for health. Fairly easy to give praise once a job is done well. If there is any better way of giving recognition, is it to acknowledge the struggle, the labor, and painstaking service to the Philippines, to the people will always be appreciated and celebrated. Let us end the year strong and work closely together towards achieving the goals of Universal Healthcare Act and realizing our vision of Healthy Pilipinas. Healthy Pilipinas kung saan ang bawat buhay ay mahalaga.
You have proved tenacity is greater than resiliency and that sacrifice is greater than comfort by saving so many lives before yours.
Let's transform not just Bicol, but the entire nation into a and wealthy. Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay mahalaga.
Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon. This has been our calling since time immemorial, the cornerstone of our existence as health champion. Proudly welcome you to the 13th Salud Bikolnon Awards of the Department of Health, Bicol Center for Health Development.
It is just but right that we recognize
We celebrate the people who make the healthcare in the Bicol region truly extraordinary. This event is not just a gathering, but a testament to the collective commitment, hard work,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards.
And every day is a gift to hold up high. Everyone has a way to carry every let it shine. Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the sunshine, give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes. Give me that sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Convergence of health-enabling champions.
To our awardees today, congratulations. Your hard work, compassion, and innovative spirit have changed.
This year, you have proved tenacity is greater than resilience.
Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay mahalaga.
Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon. This has been our calling since time immemorial, the cornerstone of our existence as health champions. Hence, I proud health development.
It is just but right that we recognize the milestones and best practices for health. With the theme, Padagos na Serbi the Bicol region, truly extraordinary. This event is not just a gathering, but a testament to the collective commitment, hard work,
Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Every day is. Everyone has a way to carry. Everyone has a soul, so let it shine. Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
I commend all of our local government units, national
To our awards. Buhay mahalaga.
Serbisyong
na Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon sa bagong Pilipinas.
Truly extraordinary. This event is not just a gathering, but a testament to the collective commitment, hard work, and resilience of those who have dedicated.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is
The Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards.
Sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me.
Dr. Alan Vicanyas, head of the Bicol South Luzon Subnational Reference Laboratory. Dr. Ray J. Miliana, Division Chief of the Field Pro. Let's all welcome Dr. Maria Lourdes M. Manson of DOH Camarines Sewer Treatment and let's all welcome our DOH Bicol OIC Regional Director, Dr. Rosa Maria. A round of applause as we move forward with this afternoon's program. Let us all stand and embrace the elaborate presence of God as we have the invocation led by Mr. Roldan Bunayan.
Just where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we'll do lead us to your prayers, guide us with your grace.
La luce came to die.
I pray we'll find your light
Nel cuore resterà.
and hold in our hearts
A ricordarci che
when stars go each night.
l'eterna storia nella mia preghiera.
Let us be your prayer.
Quanta fede, lead us to a place.
Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved.
Suonavo il mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia e speranza, un nuovo modello, ma non so vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. La forza che ci dai,
We are still left behind
el desiderio che
and watch us from above.
amore trovi amore.
We hope it's all worth it.
Intorno dentro sé. Let us be your friend.
Let this be our
Just like every child,
just like every child
needs to find a place.
guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved.
Please remain standing for the entrance of colors to be followed by the singing of the Philippine national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, ang bagong Pilipinas Hymn.
Thank you, Mike. Everyone may now be seated.
May dalang sigla ang bawat umaga, hatid ay pagsibol ng bagong pag-asa sa paraisong Pagmasdan ang mga ulap, kay mayunay at kayakan sa dakil, patuloy pa rin babangon, pinatatag ng panahon, dahil Diyos ang inspirasyon yan. Albay muna, albay naman, piliin mo, puntahan, damhin ang kagandahan. Albay muna, albay naman, Mama ng kultura at kasaysayan, inyo ring masa. Albay naman, paraiso'y kumagaway sa inyo ay naghihintay. Inyong paglalakbay, piliin mo magkulay na albay muna, albay naman, piliin mo, puntahan, damhin ang kagandahan. Albay muna, albay naman, paraiso'y kumagawa.
Our program, please welcome your hosts, Mr. Coy Bolaños and Miss Brigitte A. Umalay.
Maugma as hin maray na aldaw sa Indogo expected award ceremony of the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. And once again, it is my privilege to stand before you today. An even greater privilege to co-host this event with the ever graceful and beautiful Bridge.
Diyos marhay na hapon sa gabos, Thank you, Koy, and you look just as remarkable today. Indeed, we come together once more to pay tribute to our dedicated health partners who bravely navigated the many hurdles of the year 2025 for Bicol's health landscape.
That's right, this year has been another year full of trials, marked by reforms, public health challenges, and the impact of disasters. Yet, amidst all this, we have witnessed extraordinary efforts, meaningful progress, and inspiring stories of service.
And so today, we celebrate those achievements, and the Belyokan Kabikolan, we proudly present
The 14th Salud Bikolnon Awards! For 14 remarkable years, this ceremony has stood as a symbol of excellence and commitment. And just like the previous guests, our medical center chiefs, our local and national government partners, and of course, our awardees, the champions of health who have demonstrated exceptional performance for health development.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, to officially welcome us to today's ceremony, we now call on Dr. Gladys S. Dimbaum Escote, Chief of the Local Health Support Division, DOH Bicol, CHD.
Greetings of health and wellness. Maray na hapon po sa Indogabos. Before I start, I would like to acknowledge our guests. First and foremost, our keynote speaker, Attorney Arnaldo Escobar, the Regional Director of the Department of Interior and Local Government Region 5. Of course, Director Claudio L. Yucot, the Regional Director also of the Office of the Civil Defense Region 5. Good afternoon, sir. Our friends and partners from the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology 5, as well as the Bureau of Fire Protection 5. Of course, yung ating pong MANCOM, headed by our Regional Director, OIC, Dr. Rosa Maria Birempilio, our MSD Chief, Mr. Dante Atento, our RLED Chief, Attorney Alexis Albao, our SMHDD Chief, Dr. Angela Maria Rempilio, and our Field Coordination and Management Division, Dr. Ray Millena. I would also like to acknowledge our committed and passionate local chief executives in no particular order po. The Honorable Mayor from Preto Diaz, Sorsogon, Mayor Romeo Domasian. Good afternoon, sir. From Mandaon, Masbate, Honorable Mayor Christine Salve Hauco. From Manito Albay, Mayor Jerry Arizapa. From San Fernando, Masbate, Mayor Maria Vida Bravo. From San Miguel, Catanduanes, the Municipal Councilor, Ms. Delia Soriao. Also our partner before as health worker. From Higmoto, Catanduanes, Honorable Vicente Tayom Jr. From Gainsa, Camarines Sur, Mayor Glenn Romeo Gontang. Good afternoon, sir. From Canacman, Camarines Sur, Mayor. From Pamplona, Camarines Sur, Mayor Manuel Agustin. Good afternoon, sir. From Barcelona, Sorsogon, Attorney Cynthia Falcotelo Fortes. From Piodoran, Albay, Mayor Evangeline Arandia. Good afternoon, ma'am. From Esperanza, Masbate, Mayor Jeff Jeffrey Justin Talisik. From Mercedes, Camarines Norte, Mayor Alexander Pajarillo. Good afternoon, sir. From Presentacion, Camarines Sur, the Vice Mayor Filemon Goyena. From Panganiban, Catanduanes, Mayor Cesar Robles. Good afternoon, sir. From Sorsogon City, Mayor Maria Esther Amor. From Bulusan, Sorsogon, Mayor Winnie Rafalio Romano. And from Irusin, Sorsogon, Mayor Catalina Grace Samor. Good afternoon, ma'am. Of course, from our different provincial health offices, in no particular order also, Dr. Estela Zenit, the PHO of Albay, Dr. Hazel Palmes, PHO of Catanduanes. Good afternoon. From Sorsogon, Dr. Renato Bolo Jr. Wow, ang daming friends. Okay. The PHO of Camarines Norte, Dr. Arnel Francisco. Ayan. From Masbate, Dr. Jovan Lim. The Chief of Medical Professional Staff 2 of Bicol Medical Center, Dr. Mary Jane Uy. And last but not the least, the Medical Specialist 4 of BMC Blood Bank and Transfusion Service, Dr. Raimundo Ibarrientos. I hope wala na pong nakalimutan, but as we go along, and Mayor Peña of San Jose Camarines Sur. So later po, yeah. Okay. And Dr. Betty Ann Fulgentes of Mayor Betty Ann Fulgentes of San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Our apologies. So for 14 years, the DOH Bicol CHD is officially recognizing the outstanding performances of our different health partners and stakeholders, the national government agencies, private institutions, and the local government units from the 6 provinces and its component cities, or LGUs, across the Bicol region. Today, we are celebrating your hard work, dedication, and commitment to public health service. This annual awarding ceremony, it is more than a tradition. It is a testament to our shared vision of bringing universal health care closer to every Bicolano, that no Bicolano should be left behind. Over the years, we have seen how collaboration, innovation, and compassion have transformed health programs into meaningful services that truly touched lives. All of you are the true embodiment of our theme today, Matanos na Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon, Orgolyo kan Kabikolan. Throughout the past years, we have witnessed how each of you has skillfully and effectively advanced the department's health programs, ensuring that your local goals remain in harmony with us. As the overall technical lead for health, the DOH Bicol CHD extends its profound gratitude. For decades, your unwavering passion and steadfast commitment to improving the health of every Bicolano have only grown stronger, even in the face of adversities. Today, The DOH Bicol CHD is surrounded by a sea of health champions. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga sarili. Dahil kung wala po kayo, definitely wala din po itong seremonya na ito. The 14th Salud Bikolnon Awards is not just a grand ceremony. It is a celebration of unparalleled strength, accomplished goals, and limitless dreams of a better, more equitable healthcare system. Programa at serbisyong ramdam sa laylayan ng lipunan. Thus, the DOH Bicol CHD proudly congratulates our Salud Bikolnon awardees for your unwavering dedication to advancing the nation's health goals. These plaques and citations symbolize the immense efforts of your organization that, when collaborated with others, will bring us even closer to realizing universal health care for all. And as we look to the future, may we continue to strengthen more partnerships, devise more strategic plans, refine more policies and programs, as well as nurture the well-being of our people. Hence, we shall deliver Matanos na Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon at its finest. To our distinguished guests, partners, and awardees, thank you for joining us in this celebration of service. May this the well-being of our people, so that the DOH Bicol CHD's motto, Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon, shines even brighter in the years to come. Before I end, I would like first to acknowledge our keynote speaker, Attorney Arnaldo Escobar Jr., the Regional Director of the ILG Region 5. So again, welcome, and let us all look forward to an afternoon of recognition, gratitude, and pride for the health champions of Bicol. Dito ay winners na. So bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng bawat isa. Maraming salamat po. Diyos Matanos.
Thank you so much, Dr. Scote. Maraming salamat po, Dr. Our Local Health Support Division Chief. So, just like what our Dr. Scote mentioned, today is it is a tradition, but a testament of our commitment to public service, so that Bicol region should be shine brighter for the next coming years.
Yes, that's right. And you know what? Gaya din ng sinabi kanina ni Doctor na lahat tayo dito ng mga guests is winners na. Kaya a big tap on your shoulder, because dahil doon, we know that you guys deliver a good quality public service sa publiko mismo, right, Koy?
That's right, Bridge. So with that being said, we have now officially begun the 14th Salud Bikolnon Awards. Palakpakan naman po dyan.
As we continue this afternoon's program, we now move to one of the most important parts of our ceremony. Before we hear from our esteemed keynote speaker, it is only fitting that we first call on someone who will formally introduce our guests of honor.
Yes, thank you, Bridge. Please join me in welcoming on stage our very gorgeous, our very supportive, our very homegrown Director of the Bicol Region, our OIC Regional Director, Director Rosa Maria Birimpillo.
Maray na hapon po sa Gabos. Mahina, kumain po ba kayo? Nabusog po ba sa lunch?
May merienda pa naman. Yung hindi pa po nakakain. Anyway, isang karangalan po sa Department of Health, Bicol Center for Health Development na kayo ay makasama ngayong hapon. Alam ko po kung gaano kayo ka-busy. Halos lahat ng activities nakasaksak na ngayong buwan na ito, ngayong semanang ito. Pero nandito kayo, pagpapatunay kayo ay sumusuporta sa kalusugan, hindi lamang ng inyong nasasakupan, kundi pati ng Department of Health po. Maraming salamat po dahil hanggang ngayon, for 14 years, ang iba po sa inyo, consistently awardee po. Congratulations po. At sa hindi pa po nakaka-receive ng maski anong award, this is an opportunity for you na makita kung paano nagkakaroon ng award. Di ba Mayor Gerald na? Mayor. May mga consistent po kasi probinsya at munisipyo at city na awardee for the last 14 years. By next year, siguro po magkakaroon ng konting adjustment at pagbabago sa ating awards dahil gusto na rin nating makita yung sustainability ng pagbibigay natin. Sorry po, nagkikwento na ako kasi ito lang po yung pagkakataon na makausap po kayo. Hindi ko kasi kayo pwedeng isa-isahin. So, ganun po ang mangyari by next year. May mga adjustments kami gagawin para makita talaga po na tinatrabaho ng ating mga local chief executives and local health officers ang health systems ng ating rehiyon. Hindi po trabaho ito ng UH. Ginawa po ito ninyo. Sumuporta lang po ang Department of Health. Di po ba? Ang hina naman, hindi ba kayo ang gumawa? Kayo po ang rason kung bakit meron tayong Salud Bikolnon Awards. Hindi po ang DOH. Kayo po ang dahilan kung bakit merong Salud Bikolnon. Allow me to read my message before I introduce our esteemed keynote speaker, a mentor and coach. Senior kasi siya sa akin. Di ba, RD? Senior siya sa akin, kaya siya yung mentor and coach ko. Sarong marhay, as in malusog na aldaw sa gabos. The Salud Bikolnon Awards is not just a ceremony. It is a celebration of service, resilience, and unity. Sa pagtatrabaho natin sa communities natin at pagsisilbi para sa kalusugan, nakikita po ang pagkakaisa, hindi ba? Minsan may pagkakaiba sa political beliefs, pero pagdating sa kalusugan, sama-sama tayo. Hindi po ba? Thank you for agreeing with me. As we mark the 14th year of honoring our health partners and champions, we recognize that each awardee embodies the very essence of Matanos na Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon, Orgolyo kan Kabikolan. This event stands as a testament to our shared vision of universal healthcare for all Bicolanos. Behind every plaque and citation are stories of dedication, invocation, and compassion. Efforts that, when woven together, form the fabric of a healthier and stronger Kabikolan. Kayo po ang backbone ng health system ng Bicol. Kung wala po kayo, walang maayos na health statistics ang Bicol region. It was in the year 1991 when the local government unit code was signed into law. This laid the foundation of trust between the national government and the local government units in delivering health services more efficiently by giving greater autonomy to the LGUs for better governance and health development. Fast forward to 2025, which brings us all here to the 14th Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon Awards, where we now witness how the power of decentralization, strengthened partnership, and commitment to excellence can forge a better healthcare system. Throughout the years, the country has faced multiple health crises, novel viruses, outbreaks, disasters that all challenge
us. But also, we made it a stronger one. Lahat naman po tayo lumabas mula sa pandemya na mas malakas, hindi po ba? Matuto tayo, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan natin, natututo tayo. And here we see that without health system reforms, we cannot keep up with the ever-evolving health landscape. Maraming nagbabago, maraming pagbabago, at aasahan natin na meron pang uncertainties na mangyayari. Pero habang nandiyan kayo, alam namin na maayos natin ang health system ng Bicol. To this end, the DOH Bicol CHD proudly congratulates the Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon awardees for their exemplary performances in health and for continuously raising the bar in delivering only the highest quality of health services to the Bicolanos. Your hard work, dedication, and most of all compassion to serve are proof that you deserve the spotlight. On behalf of the Bicol CHD, we put our trust in all of you. The DOH, as our technical hand, is excited to see what more we can do as visionaries of change and improved health outcomes for our fellow Bicolanos. Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon as the vehicle towards universal health care. In these 14th Salud Bikolnon Awards, we honor our partners in health, national units, who have become modern-day heroes in ensuring every community gets the health care they deserve and need. May this ignite renewed passion and strengthen our resolve to deliver Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon at its peak, for the pride of Kabikolan and the well-being of every Filipino. With this, it is with great honor to this momentous event. He previously served as Assistant Regional Director for DILG 5 and Director for DILG Region 8. His profile held LGU partnerships, implementing national programs like Bagong Pilipinas, and achieving GAD Seal certification for his office. His work primarily focuses on strengthening LGU collaboration, advancing responsive local development, ensuring peace and order, promoting gender-responsive governance, and delivering services through initiatives like the Bagong Pilipinas and Bishop Fair. He aspires to strengthen collaboration with local government units and congressmen in the Bicol region, providing LGU governance programs to support local development initiatives. Under its leadership, the DILG Region 5 has been a vital contributor and Vice Chair on Disaster Preparedness for the Bicol Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. He assumed leadership of DILG Region 5 in October of 2022, marking a return to his home region. The Regional Director of the Department of Interior and Local Government Region 5, fondly called as RDSCO. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the man of the hour, Attorney Arnaldo E. Escobar Jr.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rose, ang ating Regional Director ng DOH. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Na-overwhelm ako nung pagpasok ko, ang daming tao pala. Buong akala ko, ang DILG lang yung kaya magpatipon ng ganitong kalaki na tao. Lalong-lalo na sa mga partner LGUs natin. Nandito yung mga mahigiting na mga mayors. Nandiyan si Director Yukot. At sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, coming from the different sectors, stakeholders ng DOH, and of course sa team ni Dr. Rose sa DOH, sa CH. Alam niyo po, may ginawa sa akin na message ito, naisip lang. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng accounting background. During when I assumed Assistant Regional Director dito sa DILG Region 5, napasabak po ako sa DOH engagement noong COVID. At doon kami nag-start nila Dr. Rose ng masinsinang coordination, daming challenges namin during the COVID time. Yung mga sakit ng katawan at ulo to ensure the health of Bicol region, and at the same time assuring the economy is still well at patuloy na may mga trabaho ang mga tao. So napakahirap timbangin yun. Here comes DOH implementing strictly the health protocols, and here is on the side of the economy na kailangan magpatuloy yung ekonomiya. So nandoon ang DILG sa gitna, balancing those interests and competing goals. So napakahirap itawid yon sa DILG. And yung Bicol region being a gateway to Visayas and Mindanao, tumatawid yung mga galing sa Metro Manila na possible may COVID, dadaan sa atin sa borders ng Cam Norte, Cam Sur, and then Albay, then Sorsogon, then Dando. Minsan ayaw papasukin ng Cam Norte, ayaw papasukin ng Cam Sur, ayaw papasukin, ang Albay, okay lang kasi may quarantine si Director Yukot. Oo. So, ang hirap timbangin. But, yung yung mga challenges na yun, yung mga pinag-usapan namin, kadil namin mga governors, of course, may mga taga-Masbate ba dito? Oo, nandito kayo. Nandito ba si Governor ko? Wala. Challenging doon, and of course doon sa Cam Norte, kay Governor Talyado noon, very challenging. Lalong-lalo na challenging sa bayan ko, sa probinsya ko sa Sorsogon, dahil ang governor noon si Cheese Escudero. So we had many difficult challenges na nandoon. Talagang yung sisterhood and brotherhood namin with UAs na paigting. Kaya ganyan si Ma'am Rose, together with, of course, yung dati nating RDC, Director Ernie Dela. Pasensya na, medyo. Kaya nung tinawagan ni Doc Rose, hindi na ako nakatanggi na pumunta dito. And to tell you frankly, meron akong 4 na activity ngayon. Yung isa, kaninang umaga, and then ngayon, mamaya pa, babalik ako doon sa Roxy Hotel, and then balik naman dito mamayang gabi sa Provincial Board Members League assessment. Right now, what we are doing doon sa Proxy, para ma-relate din lang sa ating mga mayors na nandito, mga local officials, we are doing a walkthrough ng ease of doing business audit ng lahat ng mga LGUs para makita namin kung how far ba yung pagiging business friendly ng mga LGUs. And we are training our people to do the audit sa mga LGUs kung kumusta yung pagiging business friendly nila. And hopefully, makita namin yung mga performance gaps na meron, and then we will try to do some intervention or propose some specific actions for the LGUs para ma-improve ang pagiging business friendly. And that's the first part kanina umaga. The second part, we are doing the workshop, and actually yung forum, yung pinaka-importante dun, na lahat ng mga MLGOs namin ay alam kung ano yung gagawin, and we have a common understanding dun sa tool na gagamitin. So in this afternoon, we will also be having this LGO profiling na precursor or tawag nito. Kasi si Secretary Rimulya, ginawang term-based yung SGLG. So we will be doing the LGU profiling with the local officials here. Titingnan natin yung mga baseline data ng mga LGUs para makita natin yung starting point, ano ba yung improving sa LGU, ano yung dapat gawin. Pero ito, isa sa hahanapin natin yung health outcomes. Nandoon yung health outcomes. Parang we will move forward na doon sa outcomes sa health. Hindi lang yung put up tayo ng ganitong system, mag-budget tayo ng ganito, pero ano ba yung effect or impact ng budget mo dito sa health? Dapat masukat natin sa pagbaba ng malnutrition, sa low maternal mortality rate or infant mortality rate, pagbaba ng stunting. Ganon po yung hahanapin natin. But first, we need to have an LGU profile. So we will deal with this matter siguro bago matapos ang taon. Actually, meron kaming deadline until December 31. And I hope kung kayanin, hindi okay. Pero kung hindi, itatuwid natin by hanggang second week of January yung LGU profiling. We need all these profiles to check, of course, yung starting point and paano tayo mag-improve. Sa health, nandun yung kasama yon sa ating mga kasama sa DOH. We are your reliable partner to ensure the health of our region. So, yun po yung ginagawa namin to this mamaya dun sa part ng LGU profile. Now, today, of course, hindi ko na rin isa-isahin yung ating mga mayors na nandito. Pasensya na. Wala akong kopya ng sobra 30 plus yata ng mga mayors na nandito. Hindi ko na po isa-isahin. It's been an honor, Doc Rose, at sa iyong mga team to be invited to speak before this crowd. So basahin ko na lang po. I have prepared a message. This day is an important point in our continuing work on public health. It reflects how far our local governments and partners have come, and at the same time, reminds us of the responsibilities we continue to carry in delivering health services to our people. We are here to recognize local governments, institutions, and partners who have delivered real results in health service delivery. The Salud Bikolnon Awards highlights performance kung paano na sa katuparan ang mga pulisiya, paano pinatatag ang mga sistema, at paano nakarating ang serbisyo sa ating mga communities. Mula noong naipasa ang Local Government Code noong 1991, health has been one of the most critical devolved functions ng LGUs. Maraming umaaray na LGUs actually. Over time, this responsibility has only grown more challenging. Public health emergencies, disasters at mga bagong sakit ang nag-test sa local health systems natin katulad ng COVID. Pero sa buong Bicol region, pinapakita ng mga LGU na kapag may strong leadership, solid governance at mahusay na partner, patuloy at pagbutihin ang kalidad ng serbisyong pangkalusugan kahit may pressure o krisis. From the DILG perspective, our direction is functional systems, accountable leadership, and strong coordination at the local level. Sinisiguro natin na maayos ang planning, tama ang paggamit ng resources, ang standards because governance directly affects health outcomes. Universal healthcare will only succeed if local governments are capable, prepared, and trusted by their communities. To our awardees, ang recognition na ito ay patunay ng consistency at dedication sa public service. But more than that, it sends a message to all LGUs that excellence is possible, regardless of size, location, or limitations. When leaders choose to prioritize health, invest in systems, and work collaboratively, real change happens. Let this moment inspire us to aim higher, not for awards, but for better outcomes. Let us strengthen what is working, correct what needs improvement, and remain focused on delivering health services that people can feel, access, and rely on. The DILG stands with the DOH, our LGUs, and all our partners as we continue building resilient local health systems for the Bicol region. Congratulations to the Salud Bikolnon awardees. Padagos kita sa mas episyente, mas matibay, at mas makataong serbisyong Salud Bikolnon para sa gabos na Bicolano. Mabalos po sa Indo Gabos.
Messages we have just heard from Atty. Escobar and Dr. Rimpilio. Thank you very much for your presence to our shared commitment for advancing universal healthcare through collaboration and collective action.
It is equally a privilege to celebrate this moment with the hardworking teams who help deliver quality health services throughout the 6 provinces of the Bicol region. Before anything else, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our municipal mayor from the municipality of Viga, Catanduanes, Honorable Jennifer Tuplano. Palakpakan po natin. Hello, Governor, Mayor. Also in the room is the Municipal Administrator of Baras, Catanduanes, Mr. Randy Obo. Good afternoon, sir. And of course, we also like to acknowledge the presence of the officer in charge of the Public Health Office of the Province of Masbate, Dr. Carl Lawrence Aniha. Good afternoon, Doctor. All right, to start and let's feel the pride and energy of each province. Patringin na po ng isang masigabong hurrah or cheer. 30 seconds, 10 seconds to prepare. 10, 9, 8. Let's start. Province of Albay.
Alright, nandun sila sa kabilang side. Wonderful now. Let's keep the momentum flowing. Camarines Sur, let's hear your voice.
Ayan, nakapag-practice si Kamsur, joke ha. Let's proceed to Camarines Norte.
From the beautiful Happy Island, Catanduanes.
And now, all the way from the cattle and cowboy capital of Bicol.
Alright, and completing the circle, the vibrant province of Sorsogon.
hanggang sa lupa ko naturugan. Makukundi si mong boses iyo pala.
Sa rumanggi, sa iglaan, naghatangong ko, nibunin sa rong damdam, sa lupa ko, naturugan, makukundi si mong boses iyo pala. Bago sa kabuhay, sa kalatay, niliplan, di ba natikulan ako na nagkalat, isa kong kagaling, pasiling sa itas, sa imang loob na inigang pamiwanan. Mas oo, nararamdaman ng Pilipinas. Hindi mo kapatid kailangan, kung bansa ngayon ay tatanda. Makulang sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay aming dahilan upang magdiwang ka sa insay na to, insay na to, Move on to another milestone in our commitment to a more interconnected and responsive health system.
At this point, we now move to one of the most significant parts of this afternoon's program, the official launch of our newest digital platform, the Salud Bikolnon Facility Integration for Network Diagnostics and Referrals, also known as the SB Finder.
To introduce the platform and walk us through in its key features, please welcome Dr. Angela Maria Birimpilio, Chief of the Strategic Management of Health Development Division. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are the Salud Bikolnon Facility Integration for Network Diagnostics and Referrals. We will show you how a simple idea can transform healthcare delivery across the entire region. We'll explore how SB Finder works, how it came to be, and how it's changing and will change the landscape of service delivery in the Bicol region. Let me retell the story of the IT couple of universal healthcare. We all know them, they're Juan and Juana. They're a married couple living in an underserved and unserved area in the Bicol region. About 2 weeks ago, Juan developed progressive cough. He also experienced fever, weight loss, and weakness. Noting that his persistent symptom consultation from their primary care provider. Accompanied by Aling Rosa, off they went to Dr. Pedro, their primary care provider. After a thorough examination and history-taking, Dr. Pedro determines that Juan is in need of a diagnostic test. Not just one, but plenty. X-rays, gene experts, and other specialized tests. Unfortunately, some of the tests were currently unavailable in their facilities that are in memorandum of agreement with the facility. Another roadblock was hit. The facility cannot accommodate their request. Will Juan go? Now, imagine if Dr. Pedro had access to a system that could instantly tell him which other facilities in Bicol can perform specialized tests, which ones are available this week and be capable to test the requests, and how far are they from it with their facility. That's exactly what SB Finder facility in the neighboring municipality with available testing capacity. The system shows him the facility's location, operating hours, their capacity tests. The results show community-acquired pneumonia. All of us was thinking TB, right? The most common. So, with a proper diagnosis, Dr. Pedro can now prescribe the proper, more targeted treatment and management. And the best part, both Juan and you might think, that's great for Juan and Juana, but why should I care? The answer is, Juan and Juana's story is not unique. This scenario happens, and it was heightened during the COVID pandemic. It is a bittersweet reality for most of us. When we multiply the impact of the SB Finder across all cases, the benefits are transformative. Health workers can now function as true navigators of care, knowing exactly where to send their patients. Diagnostic delays are reduced. Thus, further diagnosis means faster treatment, which leads to better health outcomes. One and One story is just an example of a larger vision that the Bicol CHD has been pursuing. The DOH, under the UHC framework, is committed to making quality healthcare accessible to everyone. But accessibility means more than just having facilities. It means having the right information available at the right time to the right people. That's why Bicol CHD has been investing in client-facing information systems. These systems, like Pag-ataman Program, Info System, and SB Mais, are designed for the actual health workers and provide health information accessible, timely, and actionable. Now, why is SB Finder developed and what mandate does it fulfill? The Philippine government, through the DOH, established the National Framework for Philippine Health Laboratory System, which mandates CHDs to first organize and maintain a regional laboratory network and create a system where they can work together effectively. And second, develop a specimen referral system, creating clear pathways for how specimens move from one facility to another. SB Finder is our response to this mandate. So we asked ourselves, what information do we actually need to make this system work? It all boiled down to 4 fundamental questions. 1, what is the status of laboratories in our region? We needed to know what laboratories exist, where they are they operational, are they properly equipped? You can't build a system around facilities you don't know about. 2, what tests can they offer? Laboratories have different capabilities. One might do tuberculosis testing, another might specialize in cancer markers. They have it, we map it. 3, what capacity do they have? This is a crucial question that would guide users where to direct their requests. And the last question, where do laboratories send their referrals when they are unable to perform these tests? Understanding the existing referral patterns was essential. These 4 questions would form the foundation of everything SB Finder needed to contain. In February of this year, we undertook a major initiative called the Laboratory Profiling Activity. It was a comprehensive data collection effort. The team gathered members of the laboratories of the Regional Health Laboratory Network and collected detailed information about testing capabilities and capacity, existing partnerships and network arrangements, challenges and barriers they face, and that goal was to collect baseline data that would inform the foundation of SB Finder. The data provided helped us understand current capacity and gaps and plan for improvements. This activity opened opportunities but also challenges. One thing emerged, and that is groups of laboratories had already formed network systems. Despite the lack of formal centralized system, laboratories had naturally developed their own ways of working together. These so-called networks existed within geographic areas or among facilities that had developed working relationships. They weren't officially documented, but they existed. Limited, but practiced. We didn't need to create collaboration from scratch. We needed to take that was already working and make them stronger, more systematic, and broader in reach. And we did that using 3 ways. First, we documented the network patterns that are already happening. Through that, we enhanced the technology through SB Finder, where referrals are easier and documented. Information, communication, and coordination in just a few clicks. And third, we expanded the reach. What if we expand them to cover all of Bicol? What if every laboratory is connected? The beauty of this approach is that we're not fighting against how people naturally work. We're enhancing and expanding what they're already doing well. It's bottom-up thinking applied to system design. We did not forge this path alone. SB Finder was not developed by a single agency. It required genuine collaboration and true partnership approach. Let me tell you about who were involved and why each partner was essential. First, the spearhead, the Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development, who provided the vision and leadership. It understood the mandate, understood the gaps in the service delivery, and said, we need to address this. The specialists, the Regional Health Laboratory Network and the Bicol South Luzon Subnational Reference Laboratory, who provided technical expertise and domain knowledge. These are the people who have mastered the ins and outs of the laboratories, and they understood what data needed to be collected, what information would be useful, what challenges laboratories face, and how referral systems actually work in practice. Without their input, we would have built the wrong system. Third, we have the KMITS, or the Knowledge Management Information Technology Service, who provided technology and system design. They translated clinical and laboratory requirements into an actual database system that works. And of course, we have the Office of Civil Defense Bicol, provided vital information on the geospatial locations of the health facilities. They helped verify the accuracy of location coordinates, ensuring that users are correctly guided on the navigation towards the target facility. This is the model we believe in, a whole-of-system approach, working together toward a common goal. SB Finder is stronger because of this partnership. At its core, SB Finder is a master database. It's a comprehensive, organized collection of information about member diagnostic laboratories in the RHLN. It contains facility location and contact information, organizational profile and accreditation status, available diagnostics and specialties, current testing capacity, and their partnerships. A game-changing feature for SB Finder is that it includes geospatial hazard maps that can dynamically overlay on the laboratory location map. These hazard layers include environmental and natural hazard areas, flood zones, landslide-prone areas, and other geographic risk factors that impact laboratory accessibility. Using this, health workers can instantly visualize which laboratories are operationally accessible during hazard events. This comprehensive database allows health workers and providers to make informed decisions. SB Finder, as it stands right now, is the foundation to something larger. Today, it exists as two core elements: comprehensive master database and a basic referral request notification system, where health workers can search for facilities, understand their capabilities, and submit referral requests. This is our jump-off point. For Phase 2, we have lined up a fully operational specimen referral network, and in the years ahead, SB Finder will evolve into an integrated referral workflow system. Imagine this. A health worker at a peripheral facility collects a specimen that requires specialized testing. They enter the specimen information into the SB Finder, and the system intelligently routes it to the appropriate laboratory. The specimen doesn't just get logged, it gets tracked. From collection point to result delivery, the entire specimen journey is visible, documented, and managed within the system. This is not just efficiency. This is visibility and accountability. This is quality assurance. And this is ensuring that every specimen reaches the right place at the right time. But even this is not the final vision. Eventually, SB Finder will expand beyond diagnostic testing alone. We imagine the system will become the master map and management platform for Bicol Region's entire healthcare provider network. We will integrate barangay health stations, rural health units, district, provincial, and end referral hospitals. And when this happens, SB Finder becomes the nervous system of our healthcare network. One's health journey becomes traceable. His healthcare pathway, diagnostic or treatment can be traced, managed, and monitored. The system becomes the tool for the operations of an integrated healthcare delivery across Bicol region. Before I give the floor to our partner from the KMITS, I want to bring us back to why this matters. We're building a resilient laboratory system. It can adapt, it can scale, it can weather challenges. A laboratory system that's connected and coordinated is more resilient than one that's fragmented. SB Finder is our commitment that every Bicolano deserves healthcare that's connected, coordinated, and continued. This is just the beginning. As we implement SB Finder, as we gather more data, as we learn from real-world use, this system will continue to evolve and improve. The foundation is solid, the partnerships are strong, and the vision is clear. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Thank you for the work that you do in healthcare, and thank you for your commitment to making quality healthcare accessible to everyone in Bicol. Together, one referral at a time, we're building Serbisyong Salud Bikolnon.
Once again, palakpakan po natin. That's Dr. Angela Maria Rimpillo, our SMHDD Chief, for that very clear and comprehensive presentation.
Now that we have seen the overview, we will now proceed to a more interactive segment.
To guide us through a real-time navigation demo of SB Finder, let's welcome Mr. Gerald Q. Aguinaldo, Information Officer 2 of the Department of Health, Knowledge Management and Information Technology Service, or KMITS. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
This is my first time actually, but although I conduct trainings naman po with our DMOs, no, yung mga development management officers natin for NHFR. But this is a first. So, this mapping, first of all, good afternoon to our honorable mayors, DOHCHD Bicol, OIC Regional Director, Dr. Rosa Maria Rampillo, DILG Regional Director, Attorney Arnaldo Escobar Jr., Office of Civil Defense Regional Director Claudio Yucot, and Chief of Plans Dr. Louis Jonas Lauraya, and distinguished local government leaders, medical center chiefs, esteemed colleagues from the local health centers, and ladies and gentlemen. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through how this online map works, what information it provides, and most importantly, how it can be used as a decision support tool for your respective provinces, cities, and municipalities. But before that, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you here dito po sa Bicol kasi this initiative is first of its kind sa buong Pilipinas. Palakpakan naman dyan. Kasi when this was presented po with your other regions kasi gusto na nilang sumunod what you have started. So, I'm looking forward to working with you again kasi tapos na po itong SB Finder map po natin, and yun nga po, we are planning for the future, next future, for making your healthcare provider network maps naman po. So if ever we will push through with this, kayo po ulit ang unang gagawa po nun. So hanggat nandito pa po ako sa DOH, ayun. Yun po. Sige po. Let's start. This is supposed to be an interactive activity, but I will let you tinker with the map later after po ng presentation na to. So your focus will be dito po sa mga screens natin. So I believe na medyo nakakat yung ating screen, no? Medyo nakatrancate. So this is a map of your laboratories dito po sa Region 5. As of now, we have 140 laboratories registered in our map. Ongoing pa po yung mga registration natin. No? So, don't be surprised if ever you won't be able to see your facilities in this map kasi po ongoing po yung ating updating ng map. So what we have here, siguro naman po lahat po tayo familiar with Google Maps, no? Yung some of the features that are available here or yung mga pagme-measure ng distance is the same with Google Maps din. But syempre may added value rin po yan. So for example, if you will click on a particular facility here, so geographically, tuturo niya po kung saan located yung facility natin. At the same time, papakita po niya yung attributes of that facility. When we say attributes, nandiyan po yung information regarding sa, yung basic information niya like yung operating hours, service capability, type of institution, if this is a MAIF facility, and so on. And meron po dito din yung yung list of services available. So the facility or the list of services are divided into I believe 6. Meron tayong clinical microscopy, hematology, microbiology, and specialized tests. Ayan. And meron din pong parang separate or special mention for blood services na in-include po natin dito. And also, we have included dun sa pop-up ng facility, yung network facilities. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng mga network facilities? So, when we click on this link, ano nangyari? Ayan. When we click on that link, makikita po natin kung ano po yung mga referral facilities of that particular laboratory. And dun po sa right side, we will be able to see yung approximate distance at saka yung approximate travel time. Parang nakasummarize na po siya. So in case na meron po kayong kailangan na parang quick reference, you can look into this sheet. Yun po. Balik lang po tayo dun sa ating map. Ayan. F11. So yun po yung network facilities natin. So sa baba po niya, we have a gallery of your photos ng mga laboratories po natin. And you can zoom on that or zoom in on that by clicking on the photo. Kung may sinubmit pong photo yung inyong facility, makikita nyo po dito. Otherwise, hindi nyo po makikita yung photos ng mga facilities natin. Ayan. So, yun po yung content po ng ating pop-up. Meron pa ba sa baba? Wala na. So, yun na lang po yung end nung pop-ups natin. So, meron pa po dito, after po nung name ng facility, we can click on this image. Ang laman po niyan are other important information about that facility in PDF form. So, parang added information of that facility na po yan. So, ayan. Ang laman po niyan, almost the same din, but same but different. May mga ano rin po, may mga added information din po dyan. Sa part din po na yan. And then, to deselect that facility, you can, select that ulit. Ayan. To zoom out. Doon sa full extent, yung proximity ng mga facilities natin. So, meron po tayong makikita dito sa map pane po natin, the search box, and some widgets po dito sa baba. And I will explain them one by one. Sana meron pa akong 3 minutes. Bibilisan ko na lang. So, filter. For example, filter. We can filter, for example, we want to see the facilities lang na nasa Albay. So, we can see this Albay, and then click apply. So, mafi-filter na yung mga facilities natin sa Albay. So, yun po yung purpose niya. For now, meron lang po tayong available na 4 filters, and we can always add them based on your request naman po. Next is yung base map. So, if you're not comfortable with this background o yung mapa natin, pwede yung parang naka-satellite view, naka-street view, or naka-grayscale. So you can choose whatever map you want to use. For hazard layers, andito po yung ating OCD counterpart. Ito po yung pinadagdag po nila CHD kasi recently, di ba, parang medyo madalas tayong dinadalaw ng mga natural calamity. So, pwede po natin i-overlay yung mga hazard maps po natin. So, for now, ang available po lang natin ay flood, rain-induced landslide, and soil liquefaction. So, pwede pa po natin yan madagdagan based on the availability of your data. Next is, yun pong ating direction. So, direction functions as, patay muna natin itong hazard. Yan. Yung direction naman po, functions as yung parang turn by turn from one point to another. So, for example, we want to, from this facility, we want to go to here. So, parang susukatin lang niya yung yan. Kasi previously, we need Google support for this function to work. Pero awa naman ng Diyos. Napagana natin siya sa, by the way, we are using ArcGIS. ArcGIS Experience Builder for the development of this app. So, kumbaga parang na po siya. Included na po siya sa software. And kayo po yung unang ginamitan ko ito pong application na ito ang ginamitan ko nitong feature na ito. So, marami po akong first sa inyo. Kayo yung mga first talaga. Ayan. To remove the directions, just press the X. Ayan. And then finally, ito yung important. I think this is one of the most important, near me. Near me just tells us yung mga facilities that are within a particular vicinity. Like for example, what are the laboratories that are within 4 kilometers sa loob ng aking dito, kumbaga buffer, in our buffer. What are the facilities? Time's up. Okay, last na po ito. Just give me a few seconds na lang po. Proximity, this is important po kasi, for example, naghahanap kayo ng particular service, kung ano yung facility na may pinakamalapit na ganitong service, you can use this feature together with this feature right here. So, kasi dito sa search box, we can search, ang sabi po kasi dito, enter facility name or service. So, if you're looking for a particular service, for example, yung lagi po natin ginagamit na CatoCats. Yan, CatoCats. What are the laboratories or the test, the CatoCats? So, ang sabi po dito, we have 4. Erosin District Hospital, Metro Health Specialist Hospital, Sorsogon Provincial Hospital, and Virac Rural Health Unit. So by this, and together with using the near me function, we can locate kung ano po yung pinakamalapit na facility with a particular service. So I hope this can be useful for everyone, not just for the Department of Health but also the general public. But I don't know kung ano po yung direction na pupuntahan po ng CHD. Kung mag-create pa ba ako ng another map for the public or will this be sufficient for everyone? So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman po yung ating communication with CHD. So, I think ito na po yung map. By the way, if you want to explore, ito po yung, you can scan the QR code to explore. And wag po kayong mabibigla kung iba po yung user interface or user interface sa mobile phones at saka sa mga tablets natin. Kasi po, they are customized for every screen sizes. Baka kasi magulat kayo, bakit hindi naman ito yung nakita ko dun sa screen. Iba po. Wala na lang po kasi akong time to demonstrate, to show for all screen sizes, but you can check this later, So, on behalf po ng aming secretary, si Secretary Teddy Herbosa, our Chief Information Officer, Dr. Albert Domingo, our Director, Dr. Bentley Rojas, our Division Chief, Mr. Ulysses M. Galo, maraming salamat po sa inyo and congratulations po sa ating lahat and to God be the glory. Thank you po.
we hope everyone now has a clearer view of how SB Finder will enhance our service delivery.
14th Salud Bikolnon Awards. Let's start with the Vice Mayor of the Legazpi City, Honorable JPM David. Good afternoon, Mayor. And of course, the Mayor of Ginubatan, Albay, Honorable Ann Onghoko. Good afternoon. And of course, we also have the Mayor of City of Legazpi, Honorable Hisham.
And of course, to all of the guests who has just arrived, welcome po to this event.
And of course, to honor our partners whose contributions were vital in developing and rolling out this platform or the SB Finder, we now proceed with the recognition of partners.
May we call on stage Dr. Rosa Maria Birimpilio, OIC Regional Director, DOH Bicol CHD. Dr. Angela Maria Birimpilio, SMHDD Chief. Dr. Monica D. Dendia, Health Facility Development Unit Head.
To express the DOH Bicol CHD's appreciation, a plaque of recognition is awarded to the Office of the Civil Defense Region 5 Regional Director Claudio.
Steadfast support and collaborative efforts in the mapping and geotagging of facilities in the hazards, which contributed significantly to the development of the SB Finder.
Thank you so much, Regional Director Yukon and Mr. Luis Jonas Lauraya. Also receiving the same recognition is the Service, Mr. Gerald Q. Aguinaldo.
The same plaque of recognition is also given to Knowledge Management and Information Technology Service, SB Finder.
We take a bold step forward in transforming the way health services are delivered across the region.
Congratulations to the entire DOH Bicol CHD team. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. The SMHDD and all partner institutions. Today's launch proves what we can achieve.
Celebration, where we honor the dedication, hard work, and remarkable contributions of our partners in health,
who continuously uphold excellence in service, strengthen our health systems, and support the mission of the DOH Bicol Center for Health Development.
A gentle reminder, only official photographers are allowed in front of the stage to ensure an orderly flow. All others are kindly requested to remain seated. Ushers and the ushers will assist awardees during the presentation. To present the awards, may we call on Dr. Rosa Maria Birimpilio, OIC Director for DOH Bicol CHD. And also may we call on Mr. Dante F. Atento, Management Support Division Chief, DOH Bicol CHD. May we call on also Dr. Angela Maria Birimpilio, SMHD Chief, DOH Bicol.
This year's roster of honorees, we begin with a recognition for LGU on the absorption of human resources for health.
The recognition for LGU on the absorption of human resource for health workers, augmented for the LGUs.
And our first recipient of the Certificate of Honorable Mention, please come up on stage, Local Government Unit of Tabacos.
Next, let's recognize local government unit of Pedro Diaz Sorsogon.
Also recipient of Certificate of Honorable Mention, come up on stage, Local Government Unit of Barcelona, Sorsogon. Okay, we all nasa stage na po sa ating Honorable Mayor, Mayor Cynthia Orgolyo Fortes of the Municipality of Barcelona, Sorsogon. Thank you so much, Mayor, for attending.
Thank you.
We also honor the local government unit of Gubat, Sorsogon.
Our next
for Health. Local Government Unit of Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
Congratulations to our awardees. Let's give our awardees another warm round of applause.
We now proceed to the commendable practices in absorption of human resources for health Bronze Award.
The commendable practice in absorption of human resource for health Bronze Award is given to the LGU that demonstrates strong leadership, strategic planning, and an unwavering commitment to sustaining essential health services through HRA's absorption. The recipient will be awarded a plaque of recognition.
For the Bronze Award, congratulations to Local Government Unit of Pilar, Sorsogon.
Next, we honor the exemplary efforts in absorption of human resources for health Silver Award.
The exemplary efforts in absorption of human resources for health Silver Award honors local government units that have demonstrated outstanding efforts in absorbing health workers into permanent plantilla positions. Their best practices and innovation in HR management and encourage LGUs to establish policies and systems for sustainable HRH.
One of this year's Silver Awardee is the Local Government Unit of Lebanon, Camarines Sur.
Another silver awardee is the Local Government Unit of Virac, Catanduanes.
Congratulations to our first set of recipients. Your commitment to strengthening the health workforce is vital and ensuring...
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them another warm round of applause. Thank you so much, Ma'am Georgie, Sir Well. Thank you. You may now take your seat.
Up next, may we call on stage Ms. Yolanda V. Almuera, Head of the Health System Development Unit.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the Puro Kalusugan Trailblazer Award.
The Puro Kalusugan Trailblazer Award is presented to a pioneering local implementer who has demonstrated exemplary leadership, innovation, and commitment in launching the Puro Kalusugan initiative in the Bicol region.
The Puro Kalusugan Trailblazer Award is given to the municipalities of Bulan, Irosin, Matnog, Santa Magdalena, or the BIMS Interlocal Health Zone.
Once again, congratulations to all our recipients. And thank you, Dr. Angela Rimpilia and Ms. Aida Almuera. You may take your seats.
We now move to the next set of recognitions under the Public Health Preparedness and Response Unit. The Disaster Risk Reduction and Management in Health DRIMH Institutionalization Award.
The Disaster Risk Reduction and Management in Health Institutionalization Award honors local government units that were able to establish a functional disaster risk reduction and management in health in their communities. To present the plaque of recognition, may we call on stage to join Dr. Rimpilia and Mr. Atento, Dr. Aurora Teresa Caluro, Head of the PHPRU and DRMH Manager, Mr. Bernard Mongo, Assistant DRMH Manager on stage. Dr. Joseph S. Garay, Development Management Officer 5 of the Provincial DOH Office of Albay.
Let's begin with our municipal level awardees. From Albay Province, congratulations to Municipal Government of Malinao, Albay.
The Municipal Government of Malilipot, Albay.
Please come up on stage, Municipal Government of Santo Domingo, Albay.
Also receiving this recognition is the Municipal Government of Manito, Albay.
Congratulations also to Municipal Government of Camalig, Albay.
Next awardee is the Municipal Government of Daraga, Albay.
well to the municipal government of Ginubatan, Albay.
Next is the municipal government of Libon, Albay.
The municipal government of Puduran, Albay. At this point, come up on stage because you are also a recipient from the city government of Ligao, Albay.
Finally, for the Dream Age Institutionalization
for the province of Camarines Sur. Congratulations to Municipal Government of San Fernando, Camarines Sur.
Up next, congratulations to the municipal government of Gainsa, Camarines Sur.
Please come up on stage, Municipal. Kanaman, Camarines Sur. Next on our list, from the municipal government of Lagunoy,
Also a recipient, municipal.
let us now proceed to the Disaster Risk Reduction Management and Health Institutionalization Awards. Come up on stage to receive your award. Congratulations to City Government of Iriga, Camarines Sur.
Finally, for the Dream Age Institutionalization Provincial level, congratulations to the Provincial Government of Camarines Sur.
Director. Thank you to Dr. Miliana. You may now return to your seat to award the next Officer 5 to the Provincial DOH Office of Camarines Norte.
For the DDRMH Institutionalization Municipal Level and Camarines Norte, congratulations to to Municipal Government of Daet, Camarines Norte.
Municipal Government of Vincents, Camarines Norte.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the DDRMH Institutionalization Provincial Level, congratulations to Provincial Government of Camarines.
Stage Dr. Robert Jan S. Aquino, DFO Officer 5 for Provincial DOH Office of Catanduanes.
For the DreamH Institutionalization Municipal Level, congratulations to the Municipal Government of Pandan, Catanduanes.
Congratulations, LGU Pandan. Up next, also receive your award, Municipal Government of San Miguel, Catan.
The presence of Honorable Governor of the Province of Albay, Honorable Noel Irasal. Good afternoon, sir.
Come up on stage because you are also
Also receive your award, Municipal Government of Bagamanok, Catanduanes.
you are also a recipient, Municipal
of Albay, Dr. Joseph Richard Garay, and of course their PHO, Dr. Zen. Congratulations, Province of Albay. Also to award the provincial level for the DreamH Institutionalization to the Provincial Government of Catanduanes.
Thank you, Dr. Aquino. You may now return to your seat. Moving forward to the province of Sorsogon, may we call on stage Ms. Mayra M. Ortega, Development Management Officer for the Provincial DOH Office of Sorsogon.
For recipient from the province of Sorsogon for the DDRMH institutionalization municipal level. Congratulations to municipal government. Sorsogon. You
Barcelona, Sorsogon.
The next recipient is coming from the municipal government of Matanos, Sorsogon.
Your award, Municipal Government of Gubat, Sorsogon.
Our recipient, congratulations to Municipal Government of Preto Diaz, Sorsogon.
Government of Sorsogon.
And finally, for our DDRMH institutionalization, congratulations to Provincial Government of Sorsogon.
Up next is the province of Masbate. Thank you, Ms. Ortega. You may now return to your...
First awardee from the province of Masbate for the Dream Age institutionalization municipal level. Congratulations to the municipal government of San Jacinto, Masbate. Also receive your award, Municipal Government of Corpus Masbate. Also receive your award, Municipal Government of Kawayan, Masbate. Civilization Award, City Level Award. Congratulations to the City Government of Masbate. Congratulations to our awardees. Thank you, Dr. Aurora Teresa Daluro and provincial level. Let us give them a round of applause.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Truly, your efforts and dedication present the recognition of partnership in health advocacy, promotion, and communication.
The recognition of partnership in health advocacy held in the year 2024. To present the plaque of recognition, may we call on stage Ms. Danica D. Caballero Espinas, Health Promotion Education Officer 2, Education Management Unit.
Thank you and congratulations to the Philippine Information Agency Region 5.
Our next recipient, congratulations to Philippine News Agency, Bicol Bureau.
Finally, and thank you and Radyo Pilipinas Albay.
Congratulations to all of the awardees, and thank you so much, Ms. Caballero Espinas and Ms. Bubis. You may now return to your seat.
Continue this afternoon celebration of excellence. We now turn our attention to the Family Health Cluster.
To present the next set of plaques of recognition, may we call on Dr. Gisela Joyce M. Claveron de la Rosa, Head of the Family Health Cluster, and Ms. Twinkle Lorelia.
Today, we recognize institutions whose dedication to implement newborn screening programs has ensured that our children receive the timely care and life-saving interventions they deserve.
We proudly present the Award for Excellence for Commendable Implementation of the Newborn Screening Program.
The Award for Excellence for Commendable Implementation is given to DOH retained hospitals in recognition of its unwavering commitment, consistent implementation, and exemplary performance in the newborn screening program, significantly contributing in the early detection and management of congenital disorders among Filipino newborns through strong leadership, service excellence, and adherence to the national standards. The recipients will be awarded the plaque of recognition.
Come up on stage and congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
Congratulations as well to the Bicol Medical Center.
Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center.
Providing continuous and high-quality continuity of care for patients with inborn errors of metabolism and endocrine disorders in the Bicol region.
Under the Newborn Screening Continuity Clinic category, congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center Newborn Screening Continuity.
Up next, under the same category, congratulations as well, Bicol Medical Center Newborn Screening Continuity Clinic.
Let us move forward to the next category, the Newborn Screening Satellite Continuity Clinic category. Congratulations to Eastern Bicol Medical Center Newborn Screening Satellite Continuity Clinic. Congratulations as well to Bicol Region.
Thank you and congratulations to all our awardees.
Forward, we now give spotlight to another vital component of safeguarding every child's future. The next award is the Award of Excellence for Exceptional Implementation of the Newborn Hearing Screening Program.
The Award of Excellence for Exceptional Implementation of the Newborn Hearing Screening Program Award is for the outstanding achievement and commitment in the implementation and advancement of newborn hearing screening program in the Bicol region. The recipient will receive a plaque of recognition.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Again, congratulations to all of our awardees and our sincere thanks to Dr. Claveron de la Rosa and Ms. Twinkle Lorilla. You may now return to your seats.
we now move to the next.
Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present the Citation for Health Escuela Invaluable Support in the Implementation of Healthy Learning Institutions.
The citation for the Healthy Learning Institutions honors local government units for their support in the implementation of healthy learning institution through ordinances and activities, specifically in the health school policy, health skills and education, links with the community, access to the health care. The recipient will be awarded a plaque of recognition and will be accompanied by their respective Development Management Officer 5.
Under the municipal level category, please come up on stage and congratulations to the municipal government of Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Up next, under the provincial level, congratulations, Provincial Government of Camarines Norte.
Congratulations to our awardees and thank you Ms. Sara and Ms. Michelle. You may now return to your seats. As we continue recognizing excellence, we now turn to our next award.
To join our presenters, may we call on stage Mr. Joseph Stengian Viñol, Health Education and Promotion Officer 3.
Size Active Transport Playbook.
The Citation for Health Community Playbook implementation recognizes local government units that completed the pilot implementation of the Healthy Communities Playbook. The recipient will be awarded with a plaque of recognition and will be accompanied by the Development Management Officer 5.
Under the city level category, come up on stage and congratulations to City Government of Tabaco Albay.
You may take your seat, Mr. Payol. For the next award, may we call on stage your presenter, Miss Carla Ludovice.
The next award is the recognition of partnership in health advocacy, promotion, and campaign against smoking.
The award is in recognition for the partnership in promoting a smoke-free and vape-free environment, raising awareness in the harms of smoking and vaping, and actively supporting health programs for the betterment of our communities.
Come up on stage and congratulations to Parents Against Vape.
A round of applause, everyone, because that concludes the distribution of certificates and plaque of recognition. Again, congratulations to all the awardees.
That's right, and thank you so much to our presenters, Director Impilio, Mr. Atento, Dr. Mancelia.
We would like to once again request that the only official photographers be at the front of the stage to ensure a smooth flow of the program and to preserve the solemnity of the ceremony. We ask also the other guests to remain in their seats during the distribution. Ushers and the ushers will be on hand to assist each awardee as they proceed to the stage to receive their recognition as they return to their seats. Thank you.
To our awardees, kindly take note of the guidelines on how to claim your cash prize. Makinig pong mabuti. For prizes to be released through check, kindly wait for the official notice via email or SMS regarding the schedule for claiming the check. For provincial, city, municipal LGUs, the check shall be claimed by the provincial, city, municipal treasurer. For private health facilities, the designated cashier shall claim the check. Kindly bring a valid ID and the official receipt. If with a photocopy of the ID of the treasurer or cashier and an official receipt duly signed by the treasurer or the cashier. For cash prizes released through LDDAP, ADA, online transfer, please wait for the email notice with the validated LDDAP ADA attached. Once the amount has been credited to your bank account, kindly send the official receipt through courier or via the liaison officer of the provincial DOH office under your province. Please make sure to fill out the form provided and submit it to the usherettes near you. Thank you.
Thank you for that reminder, Sir Koy. I hope it is well noted by our guests. I hope that was well noted by our awardees. That is important in ensuring that the cash prizes will be received by our awardees on time and in an organized manner. To continue this afternoon's celebration of excellence, we now give spotlight to the awardees of the Regulations, Licensing, and Enforcement Division.
To present the next set of awards, may we call on stage Local Health Support Division Chief Dr. Gladys S. Damdam-Scotting and Attorney Alexis Salabao, Miss Angelica G. Dado, Engineer Alvin L. Barce, Miss Rowena Banday, and Miss Jane Therese Rito.
Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present the Listo Award.
The Listo Award is given to licensed regulated health facilities which were to the DOH standards set for health facilities.
Our first awardee under the infirmary category. Congratulations to Bulan Medicare Hospital.
The Bulan Medicare Hospital will receive a plaque of recognition in a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Next, let's recognize the exceptional efforts of Magallanes Medicare Hospital.
The Magallanes Medicare Hospital will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
We now call on on stage to receive the same award. Congratulations to Rituerma General Hospital.
The Rituerma General Hospital will receive a plaque of recognition as a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Let's continue with the next category, the Level 1 Hospital category. Come up on stage and receive your award. Naga City General Hospital.
The Naga City General Hospital will receive a plaque of recognition as a cash prize of 65,000 pesos.
And finally, under the Level 2 Hospital category, congratulations to Albay Doctors Hospital Incorporation.
The Albay Doctors Hospital Incorporation will receive a plaque of recognition at a cash prize of 75,000 pesos.
Thank you and congratulations to all the winners.
Moving forward to the next award, the CNAG Award.
The CNAG Award is given to licensed regulated health facilities which were found compliant during monitoring for the Sabi Oriental Burning Home and Family Planning Clinic will receive a plaque of recognition at a cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
We now call on Bing Maternity and Lying-In Clinic.
The Being Maternity
For the Being Maternity and Lying-In Clinic, up next, to receive the award, may we call on the Jean Lying-In Maternity Clinic.
The Jean Lying-In Maternity Clinic will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000.
Our next recipient under the birthing home category is Ubusan Lying-In.
The Ubusan Lying-In will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. The Diagnostic will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
Let's continue with LabWorks Medical and Diagnostic Center.
The LabWorks Medical and Diagnostic Center will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
Also receiving this award, congratulations to St. Louis Cooperative and Diagnostic Center.
The St. Louis Cooperative and Diagnostic Center will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
Next in line under the Drug Testing Laboratory category.
Congratulations to the St. Louis Cooperative and Diagnostic Center.
Yes. Joining them is Dr. Iberiantos. Sige, Doc. Habol ka, Doc. also, we are recognizing under the drug testing laboratory category, JFT Drug Testing Center.
The JFT Drug Testing Center will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
Our next recipient of the same award is the DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center Drug Testing Laboratory.
The DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center Drug Testing Laboratory will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
We now call on the awardees under the Laboratory for Drinking Water Analysis. Please come up on stage, Camarines Norte Water District Laboratory.
The Camarines Norte Water District Laboratory will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
Our next recipient is the H3G Services.
The H3G Laboratory Water Testing Services will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. Will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 25,000 pesos.
Let's continue with the next category, Service Facility category. Congratulations to the Philippine Red Cross Catanduanes chapter.
The Philippine Red Cross Catanduanes chapter will
Clinic and Laboratory.
The BT Residoro Dental Clinic and Laboratory will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 25.
The Regulation, Licensing and Enforcement Division. Congratulations once again to all our awardees for their exemplary dedication and service to health in our
Bicol South Luzon SEP National Reference Laboratory, and Dr. Raymond B. Barrientos, head of the Bicol Medical Center Blood Bank and Transfusion Services.
Ladies and
contributed to the attainment of the goals and objectives as mandated in the National Voluntary Blood Services Program, pursuant to Republic Act 7719 and otherwise known as the National Blood Services Act of 1994.
Congratulations, and please come up on stage.
Next, let's of Municipal Government of Huban, Sorsogon.
The Municipal Government of Huban, Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos.
Also receive your well-deserved recognition. Congratulations to Municipal Government of Manito, Albay.
The Municipal Government of
Please give a round of applause for Municipal Government of Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
The Municipal Government of Pamplona, Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000.
Government of Pili, Camarines Sur.
The Municipal Government of Pili, Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos.
Congratulations, and please come up on stage. Municipal Government of San Miguel, Catanduanes.
The municipal government of San Miguel Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos.
Next, let's recognize the exceptional effort of
Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos. Gwendolyn Baluis, Nurse 5, to join our presenters.
The next award is the Best Mental Health and Substance Use Prevention.
The Substance Use Prevention Program implementation is a recognition to LGUs that contributed to the attainment of the goals and objectives as mandated in the National Mental Health Program, pursuant to Republic Act 11036 and
category. Congratulations to City Government of Ligao Albay.
The City Government of Ligao Albay will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000. The Government of Barcelona Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos.
Congratulations and come up on stage, City Government of Sorsogon.
Plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos. The Health Office of Camarines Norte will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos.
Bicol Medical Center.
The Bicol Medical Center will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 50,000 pesos. Treatment and rehabilitation program services and other programs.
Under the city municipal level category, this award goes to Municipal.
The municipal government of Camaligan, Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of pesos.
Come forward and congratulations as well to Municipal Government of Preto.
To 50,000 pesos.
Congratulations to our awardees. Up next, our next award is the Top Performing National
Edition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Congratulations to our awardee and thank you very much to our presenter, Ms. Baluis. You may now return to your seat. At category, let's honor the Municipal Government of Verac, Catanduanes.
The municipal government of Verac, Catanduanes will receive a plaque implementation of the Action Papatok Injury Reduction Program.
And the award under the city municipal level category and under the provincial level category, congratulations.
Of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos. The provincial government's Bate will receive a plaque of recognition.
Moving forward to our next set of awards, the Best
Application for cervical cancer screening based on the FHSIS 2024 report.
And the best implementation of cervical cancer screening
level or a highly urbanized city and independent component city category is presented to the City Government of Naga, Camarines Sur.
The city in pesos.
Congratulations to all of the awards. Ladino, you may now return to your seat.
Moving forward to the next set of awards, the special award, Heart Health Champion Award for Outstanding Implementation of MM25 May Measure Month Campaign.
The special award, Heart Health Champion Award for Outstanding in Implementation, recognizes the LGUs in the Bicol region that have demonstrated exceptional implementation of the MMM25 campaign.
This recognition is awarded to
Next, let's recognize the exceptional efforts of the municipal government of Gainsa, Camarines Sur.
Bato Catanduanes.
The municipal government of Bato, Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition in cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Tanduanes.
The municipal government of Baras, Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition in cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Pan Catanduanes.
The municipal government of Panganiban, Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition at a cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Also recognized, municipal government of San Jose, Camarines Sur.
The municipal government of San Jose, 10 pesos.
Up next, a round of applause, please. Camarines Sur.
The municipal government of Pamplona, Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Is municipal government of Mercedes, Camarines Norte.
The municipal government of Mercedes, Camarines Norte will receive a plaque of recognition, cash prize of 20,000 pesos, and a
Congratulations to municipal government of Bagamanok, Catanduanes.
The municipal government of Bagamanok, Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 40,000 pesos.
Is municipal government of San Fernando, Masbate.
The municipal government of San Fernando, Masbate will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Dr. Corpus, you may now return to your seat.
At this point, let us move forward to the Family Health Cluster, honoring institutions and partners who have excelled in services.
To present the next set of awards for the Family Health Cluster, may we call on stage the Family Health Cluster Head, Dr. Gisela Joyce M. Claveron de la Rosa, Miss Twinkle G&P Lurilia, Miss NBS coverage per category level.
Our awardee under the Public Lying In category is Mother and Child K. Linick.
The Mother and Child Care Link will receive a plaque of recognition and cash prize of 30,000 pesos.
Under the City Municipal Level Hospital category is from the Erosin District Hospital.
The Irisin District will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 40,000 pesos.
We now call on stage to receive their well-deserved recognition under the provincial level category. Congratulations to Sorsogon Provincial Hospital.
The Sorsogon for 10 pesos.
Moving forward to the next award, the Best Implementer of the Newborn Hearing Screening Program.
The best implementer of the newborn hearing screening program is awarded to hearing screening facilities that have contributed to the attainment of the universal hearing screening program with at least 90%.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the awardee under the municipal category. Congratulations to Naga City General Hospital.
The Naga City General Hospital will receive a plaque of recognition at a cash prize of 30,000 pesos.
On to the next category, the District Hospital Category A, Hearing Screening Facility.
Up next, the Public Provincial Hospital Category A, Hearing Screening Facility.
Congratulations to all of our awardees and thank you very much to our presenters, Miss Lorelia, Miss Carpio, and Miss Cantonhos. You may now return to your seat as we move.
Marie Christine Therese Nolyal.
We now move on to the next award, the Best School-Based Immunization Implementer.
The best school-based divisions offices that have contributed to the attainment of goals and objectives of the National Immunization Program for the implementation of school-based immunization 2025. Price of 15,000 pesos.
Up
The School Division Office of Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 20,000 pesos. Recognition and a cash prize of 10,000 pesos.
Health Office of Legazpi, Albay.
The City Health Office of Legazpi Albay will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 10,000.
And finally, under the provincial level category, to Provincial Health Office of Catanduanes.
The Provincial Health Office of Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Congratulations to all the winners and thank you very much, Ms. Nalial. You may now return to your seat.
For the next recognition, may I request Dr. Des Briseño and Ms. June Robles to be on stage to present the award.
The next award is the most functional certified adolescent-friendly health facility.
The most functional certified adolescent-friendly health facility is awarded to Certified Rural Health Unit adolescent-friendly health facilities who have met this.
Please give a round of applause to Rural Health Unit of Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
The Rural Health Unit of Pamplona, Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 40,000 pesos.
Congratulations to the winners and thank you, Ms. Robles, for joining us here on stage.
The next award is the Bawat Buntis Mahalaga Award.
The Bawat Buntis Mahalaga Award is given to provincial, city, municipal, and health offices. They have contributed to the attainment of...
Come up on stage and congratulations to Rural Health Unit of Santa Magdalena, Sorsogon.
The Rural Health Unit of Santa Magdalena, Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Unit.
We would like to once again request that the only official photographers be at the front of the stage to ensure smooth flow of the program and to preserve the solemnity of the ceremony. We ask all the other guests...
First award, the Health Escuela Outstanding Healthy Learning Institution.
The Health Escuela Outstanding Healthy Learning Institution is a recognition given to the basic education
Let's call our next award for the Healthy School, Camarines Norte.
The Talisay Elementary School, Camarines Norte will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Next, under the large school category, congratulations, school from Esperanza Masbate.
The Santos Iconic National High School Esperanza Masbate will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 50,000.
Under the Mega School category, congratulations to Sorsogon East Central School, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. Up next, the outstanding lad
Will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Congratulations to the Pedro Y. Bautista Elementary School. We will now recognize the last mile HLI champion. Come up on stage, Palumbanes Integrated School from Caramuran, Catanduanes.
The Palumbanes Integrated School, Karamur.
And finally, for the Healthy School Best Practice Award, congratulations to Dugi San Isidro Integrated School, Verac, Catanduanes.
The Tugi San Isidro Integrated School, Verac, Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition, 1,000 pesos.
Thank you, Ms. Magtangop and Ms. Israel. You may now return to your seat. May we... For the next award, the Salud Comunidad Awards Top Implementers on Health Literacy.
Training is a recognition given to a local government unit that has not completely implemented activities aligned with the 7 healthy habits and with those which promote primary care service to further
Under the city level, come up on stage and congratulations to City Government of Ligao Albay.
The city government of Ligao Albay will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Up next is under the municipal level. Congratulations to Municipal Government of Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
The municipal government of
The next set of awards is the top implement.
Working Awards 2025 is awarded to 100% tobacco-free provinces, municipalities, cities, government offices, government hospitals, and DOH centers for health development.
Under the agencies, GOCC, and other government agencies category. Congratulations to Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Regional Office 5.
The Bureau of Jail, 10 pesos.
Next in line for recognition is Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center.
The Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center will receive a plaque of 100,000 pesos.
For the top implementer, Red Orchid Award 2025 under the municipal category. The award is given to Municipal Government of Bulusan.
The special award, Best Healthy Workplace Implementation.
The special award, Best Healthy Workplace Implementation, is a recognition to the workplace which institutionalized and functioned on the Healthy Workplace Program.
Under the local government unit category, congratulations to Municipal Government of Prieto Diaz Sorsogon.
The municipal government of Prieto Diaz Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
For the National Government Agency category, congratulations to the Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 5.
The Bureau of Protection Regional Office 5 will receive a plaque of recognition, a cash prize of 50.
The next set of awards is for the Red Orchid Sustainability Awards.
The Red Orchid Sustainability Award is given to the LGU that had consistently implementation of Empower strategy and has shown improvement in the outcome and impact health indicators 3 to 5 years after attaining the health framing status.
The Government of San Jacinto, Masbate.
The municipal government of San Jacinto, Masbate will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100.
We now call the next awardee under the City category. Congratulations to City Government of Legazpi, Albay.
The City Government of Legazpi, Albay will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 1.
Congratulations and once again to our awardees. Congratulations to our awardees and thank you Dr. Mancelia, Dr. Garay, Mr. Fenol, and Miss Lovidize. You may now return to your seats.
Now we move forward to our next set of awardees under the infectious disease cluster.
May we call in on stage Dr. Janice Alcaraz and Miss Leon Rose Contessa to join our presenters.
For the first award, the top performing for TB case notification.
Performing LGUs with the highest number notified new and relapsed tuberculosis cases for 2024 per 100,000 population.
And the top performing for
the City Government of Naga Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Same award under the provincial level category. Congratulations to Provincial Government of Albay.
The Provincial Government of Albay will receive a plaque of recognition.
For the next award, the top performing for drug-sensitive tuberculosis treatment success.
The top percentage of target achieved on DSTB patients treated successfully.
And the top performing DSTB treatment success under the municipal level category is Masbate.
The municipal government of Mataon, Masbate will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
For the first awardee under the provincial level, congratulations, Provincial Government of Masbate.
The provincial government of Masbate will receive
For the second award, congratulations, Provincial Government of Sorsogon.
The provincial government of Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 100,000.
The next award is the top performing for drug-resistant tuberculosis treatments.
Facility level category is the City Government of Ligao Albay.
The city government of Ligao Albay will receive a plaque of recognition.
For the provincial level category, congratulations.
The provincial government of Camarines Norte will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 100,000 pesos.
And another recognition for top performing for TB preventive treatment.
The top performing for TB preventive treatment for 2024.
And the top performing for TB preventive treatment under the municipal level.
The municipal government of Manito Albay will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 50,000 pesos.
Up next, under the provincial level category, congratulations to Provincial Government of Masbate.
The provincial government of Masbate will receive a plaque of recognition and 1,000 pesos.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
For our next award, may we call on stage Engineer Leia Angela Castillo to please join our presenters.
Moving forward with the next award, the
Open defecation status.
Please give a round of applause for the municipal government of Pilar, Sorsogon.
5,000 pesos.
175,000 pesos for the local government unit of Sorsogon. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Next, we also recognize the municipal government of Panganiban, Catanduanes.
The municipality government of Panganiban, Catanduanes was
from the Strategic Management for Health Development Division.
May we please call once again on stage Dr. Angela Maria Birimpilio, Chief of SMHDD, and Dr. Health Facilities Manual, which was developed to respond to the global call of minimizing the carbon footprint of the health sector.
And the Green and Safe Health Facility Award goes to
Congratulations, Bicol Medical Center, and thank you, Dr. Dadia. You may now return to your seat.
To join our presenter stage.
The next award is the Performance-Based Incentives for Barangay Health Workers.
The performance-based incentives for barangay health operations of the highest performing province or city in the region relative to the previous year's achievement as Department Order 2021-0304.
City Barangay Health Workers Federation.
The Legazpi City Barangay Health Worker Federation will receive a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of $2.
And ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the grand prize. Congratulations to Iriga City Barangay Health Workers Federation.
The Iriga City Barangay
Up next, the Good Practice in Health Awards and Recognition
system, process, method, or set of procedure used by an LGU, which has been proven to be an effective, efficient, and relevant way of addressing a particular health issue or challenge.
And one of the recipients of the Good Practice in Health Awards and Recognition is the Municipal
Government of Barcelona Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 150,000 pesos.
of Pilar Sorsogon.
The municipal government of Pilar Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 150,000 pesos.
Municipal government of Prieto Diaz Sorsogon.
The municipal governor of Prieto Diaz Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 150,000 pesos.
Now return to your seats.
May request Dr. Monica Dadia to be on stage once more for the presentation of the next awards.
Let's continue with pursuing and excellence or the Pulse Awards.
The Pulse Awards is recognition given to outstanding provincial health laboratory network consistently demonstrate excellence in quality service.
Provincial Health Laboratory Network Catanduanes.
The Provincial Health Laboratory Network Catanduanes will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash.
On to our next award, the Empowering Network Growth Through Active and Genuine Engagement, or the Engage Award.
The Engage Award is given to Regional Health Laboratory to December 2024.
And for the first awardee, congratulations to Rural Health Unit of San Jacinto, Masbate.
The Rural Health Unit of San Jacinto
Rural Health Unit of Mobo Masbate.
The Rural Health Unit of Mobo Masbate will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Round of applause for Irusin District Hospital.
The Irusin District Hospital will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 20,000.
Our next recipient is Castilla District Hospital.
The Castilla District Hospital received a plaque of recognition.
Following them, we recognize the
Please welcome Bicol Medical Center.
The Bicol Medical Center will receive a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
And finally, let's give a
Plaque recognition and a cash prize of 20,000 pesos.
Congratulations to all of the awardees and thank you so much once more.
And the next award, the Best Universal Healthcare Implementer Award.
The Best Universal Healthcare Implementer Award is presented to the
Implementer Award is the provincial government of Sorsogon and Sorsogon Provincial Health Office.
the provincial government of Sorsogon and
So all of our awardees, congratulations. Your hard work, commitment, and passion for service continue to inspire the entire health sector in the Bicol region.
At this point, we would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks for our award presenters, Dr. Scote and Dr. Angela Rimpillo. You may now kindly return to your seat. As we present these major awards, we celebrate not only their achievement, but also the meaningful change they continue to bring to the lives of every Bicolano.
OIC Regional Director Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rimpillo, DILG Region 5 Regional Director Attorney Arnaldo E. Escobar Jr., and Field Health Coordination Division Chief Dr. Ray J. Milianan.
To begin, we present the Green Achiever Award.
The Green Achiever Award is given to the top province.
Congratulations to our first Green Achiever awardee under the municipal city level. Please come up, Ligan Camarines Sur.
The municipal government of Camaligan Camarines Sur will receive a plaque of recognition with a cash prize of 200.
The exceptional efforts of the municipal government of Panganiban, Catanduanes.
The municipal government of Panganiban Catanduanes a plaque of recognition, the cash prize of 200,000 pesos.
Congratulations to the municipal government of Panganiban, Catanduanes. Please give a round of applause for our third Green Achiever awardee. Congratulations, City.
I will receive a plaque of recognition with a cash prize of 200,000 pesos.
Once again, congratulations to the city government of Tabaco Albay. Let's continue with the Green Achiever Award provincial level, and of this recognition is the provincial government of Camarines Norte.
The provincial government of Camarines Norte will receive a plaque of recognition with a cash prize of
Congratulations, provincial government of Camarines Norte. Government of Sorsogon.
The provincial government of Sorsogon will receive a plaque of recognition with a cash prize of 500,000 pesos.
Once again,
This award represents the pinnacle of excellence, recognizing a local government unit whose leadership having meaningful impact in the health landscape in Bicol region.
This is the award that stands above all others, our most recognition for this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Magayagaya Award!
The Magayagaya Award is recognition to one purpose and one municipality city per year, with the most improvement in the LGU scorecard among all the LGUs with a stable government structure at the provincial.
Magayagaya Award for the 14th Salud Bikolnon Award is congratulations to the Happy Island.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the Magayagaya Award.
Thank you and congratulations once again to our Magayagaya awardee, and thank you as well to our presenters. You may now return to your seats. As this time recipients of the Green Achiever Award. First off, to share the response speech to this award, may we now invite on stage Camaligan Municipal Mayor, representative of the Camaligan Municipal Councilor, Honorable Neil Adrian C. Delena.
Staff of Mayor Jano Ibardoloso Jr., babasahin ko po kanyang mensahe sa hapong ito. Sa ngalan ng lokal na gobyerno ng Camaligan, malugod at tuwas-puso kaming nagpasalamat sa pagkilala sa aming bilang Green Achiever Awardee ngayong Salud Bikolnon Award sa taon na ito. Isang malaking karangalan po ito para sa amin upang lubos doon po namin yung kinikilala at pinasasalamatan ang Municipal Health Office ng Camaligan sa pamumuno ni Dr. Francis Severo IV, Sir Apollo Ilo, Ma'am Jo Batalya, kasama ang buong hangin ng ating masisipag at dedikadong health workers. Ang kanilang walang sawang paglilingkod, professionalismo at malasakit sa komunidad ang nagsisilbing haligi ng ating mga tagumpay sa larangan ng kalusugan. Ang award na ito ay hindi lamang simbolo ng tagumpay, kundi paalala na kailangan nating magpatuloy sa pagtutulungan, pag-innovate at paglilingkod para sa mga maunlad, mas malusog na komunidad. Sa patuloy na pagkakaisa, mas mapabuti natin ang health outcomes at mas matutulungan natin ang bawat pamilyang Bicolano na magkaroon ng mas maganda at mas malusog na buhay. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagkilala at patuloy po tayo magkaisa para sa Salud Bikolnon. Liwat po, maray na hapon po sa Indoga Boss. Maray na hapon po. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Honorable Neil Adrian Delania of the Municipality of Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Let us also hear a message from another first-time recipient of the Green Achiever Awardee. Please come up on stage, the Municipality of Panganiban, Catanduanes Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mayor Cesar Robles.
Thank you very much. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. To our OIC Director of Department of Health, Center for Health Development, Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempillo, and other DOH Bicol officials, our Regional DILG Director, Attorney Arnaldo Escobar, to all municipal mayors and their representatives, to all provincial DOH officers, Sangguniang Bayan members, Committee on Health, all municipal health officers, other guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are extremely grateful and honored to receive these awards. Our sincere thanks to Salud Bikolnon for recognizing the effort of LGU Panganiban. And above all, we thank the Lord for the countless blessings throughout the years. This recognition reflects the strong leadership, dedicated public servants, and an unwavering commitment to advancing public health and improving the well-being of every Bicolnon. We recognize Salud Bikolnon, led by the DOH Bicol Center for Health Development, as a vital initiative that champions excellence in health governance through the annual Salud Bikolnon Awards. A true inspiration for all health partners to continuously improve service delivery. As the local chief executive of Panganiban, we firmly believe that motivated and inspired health workers are the backbone of quality public service. That is why we prioritize public health concerns, ensure the implementation of Magna Carta benefits, fully support health initiatives, conduct regular local health board meetings, and adopt best practices suited to our local health system. We have strengthened our health promotion programs, ensured an updated and well-disseminated disaster risk reduction and management in health plan, and maintain open communication between management and health workers. Regular assessments allow us to identify gaps and address challenges and sustain continuous improvement. To our HU staff, HRH, and our municipal health officer, thank you very much. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po dito ang munisipyo ng Panganiban sa momentong ito. Kayo po ang instrumento at dahilan kung bakit nakatayo po ang inyong alkalde dito sa inyong harap. Once again, thank you to Salud Bikolnon for this prestigious recognition. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maray na hapon po liwat sa kabos.
Thank you so much, Honorable Mayor Cesar Robles. Now, recipient of the Green Achiever Award provincial level. May we invite on stage, on behalf of Camarines Norte Government, let's all welcome Dr. Arnel Francisco. Let's all welcome Dr. Arnel Francisco, Public Health Officer.
Una-una po sa ating Regional Director, Joseph Ascosia, hindi raw makarating. So on behalf of our Governor, ako po magsasalita po ngayon. No? Napaka-ganda ng pasok ng 2025 sa amin. Ano? Since mayroon na po akong Green Banner Award, ngayon nasundan po ng Green Achiever. So, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa aking kaibigan, Dr. Alalain, sa kanyang support, collaboration, coordination, lahat na ginawa namin, hindi kami nag-aaway, ang provincial DOH ng Camarines Norte. Sa aking mga kasamahan na nagbigay ng kanilang sakripisyo, oras, para lang makapagbigay ng magandang serbisyo, pangkalusugan, yung dekalidad na serbisyo. Kahit tayo'y kulang, pero tayo po ay natin, yung ating programa sa ngayong 2025 at mayroon po tayong award. Napakagandang taon po ito ngayon. Ano? Ito pong award na ito, sinasabi ko sa aking mga kasamahan, award lang po ito. Pero dapat po yung award na ito, nakikita po natin doon sa ating mga kababayan na binibigyan po natin ng mga serbisyo, pangkalusugan. Pag yan ay nakita natin, itong award na ito, mas marami pang award. Diba? Baka makapunta po tayo sa Central o Manila para makapagtanggap tayo ng award. Ano? So to those member ng Provincial Health Office ng Cam Norte, salamat po sa inyo. Ano? Itong award din ito ay dinidedicate namin sa aking mga kababayan na maraming expectation sa amin. Alam niya ni Dr. Rose kung paano ang aming management doon sa province. No? Ang hirap pero kitang-kita nyo naman kahit mahirap, kami po'y lumalaban po. Ano? Sa huli po, ako nagpapasalamat din sa aming provincial government, sa kanilang sabihin natin binibigay na support, lalo na sa funds, sa Sugunang Bayan ng Cam Norte, paglalawigan ng Cam Norte, sa kanilang mga resolution na ginagawa para lang maging ordinance at executive order, para yung lahat ng mga requirements pagdating sa award ito ay maibigay po namin. Sa huli po, salamat at good afternoon po.
Thank you so much, Dr. Arnel Francisco, the Provincial Health Officer of the Provincial Government of Camarines Norte. And now we hear from our Magaya-Gaya awardee that will be going home very happy to the very home 700,000 pesos to represent on behalf of the Honorable Governor Patrick Alain P. Azanza. We have here Dr. Hazel A. Palmes, their Provincial Health Officer.
Thank you very much. To our OIC Regional Director, Dr. Rose Trimpilio, to the DOH cluster heads and division chiefs and all officials, to the honorable mayors of the 6 provinces of Region 5, and to all the municipal health officers, chiefs of hospitals, the DOH retained hospitals, NGOs, partners, development partners, media partners, esteemed guests, a blessed afternoon to all of us. I am honored to represent our Governor, Honorable Patrick Alain T. Azanza, at this 14th Salud Bikolnon Awards. He sincerely regrets not being able to attend today as he is engaged in an equally important event in Manila. Today, we celebrate our victory in health performance across the 6 provinces in the Bicol region and our contribution to achieving the national objectives for health. Salud Bikolnon has become a way of life for every health worker, enabling us to enhance our performance. We consistently strive to provide the best possible health outcomes for our constituents. Our goal is to deliver high-quality, evidence-based, patient-centered services that lead to optimal health results. As we continue to face challenges in implementing universal health care in our province, we are empowered to devise innovative interventions. As our governor said in his State of the Province address, health is not just wealth, health is everything. This statement propels and motivates us to view health not merely the absence of disease, but as a foundation that supports all other aspects of life. It enables us to live fully, work productively, enjoy our families, pursue our goals, and contribute to society. We acknowledge that health is influenced by a wide array of